Meet the new Mars 2.5, built on everything you loved, now upgraded for an even better ride. The Mars 2.5 keeps the same powerful performance as the Mars 2.0, but brings meaningful upgrades to comfort, durability, and control. The all-new BMX-style handlebar changes everything. Higher, wider, and swept back, giving you a more upright position. This means less pressure on your wrists and more comfort on your long rides. Paired with a front fork suspension and 20 by 4-inch fat tires. And with an upgraded display, you get a cleaner, simpler interface. Upgraded to hydraulic disc brakes, you get stronger stopping power. A bright headlight, brake light, turn signals, and electric horn. The UL2849 certified battery adds extra peace of mind. And now built with a high carbon steel frame, the Mars 2.5 is tougher. Reach speeds up to 28 miles per hour while still staying compact to fit in your apartment, RV, or trunk when folded. The same power as the Mars 2.0, but upgraded where it matters most. Ride ahead with comfort and control with the new Mars 2.5.